Hello and welcome to C3 Streamland. So, in part 1 of Knowing the Circle Family video, we talked about center, circumference, radius or radii, what is the connection between the radii, diameter of a circle, what is the connection between the diameter and radius of the circle, what is chord and what is the connection between the chord of a circle and diameter of a circle. We spoke about all these aspects. Now in this part 2 I would like to start with chord. So chord is basically a segment inside a circle which connects any two points on the circumference of a circle, right? So here in the image, FG, segment FG is a chord, and also the diameter DE is also a chord, and we said that it is the longest chord. Now, any chord will divide your circumference of a circle in two sections. Okay, these two portions of your circumference of a circle are called arcs, right? So, if we focus on chord FG, this has divided the circumference in two sections. One section of a circumference is a smaller part of a circle, and other one is larger part of a circumference, right? The smaller part of the circumference is called the minor arc, and the larger part of the circumference of a circle is called major arc. Okay, I hope you understood this concept about our arc. Let's move forward. Let's say if there is any line which is passing actually from this nearby the circle, outside the circle, but it's touching the circle just at any one point. That particular line is called the tangent of a circle. So any point that you can see on a circumference of a circle can have tangent. Okay, now there is also, if you see here, let's focus on this particular section. I'm talking about point C, A and E, the section that is made between points C, A and E. So this particular section of a circle is called a sector. So sector is basically any section inside a circle which is bounded by two radii of a circle, right? So here in this particular image we can find three sectors. One is CAE, another is sector EAB, and third sector is CAB, right, which is the larger chunk of the or a bigger sector, right? Now let's say, what if there is a line which is not passing and touching the circumference at one point, but what if the line is passing through the circle? Let's say if I draw a line which is passing through a circle at point H and I, right? It is not a segment, so it can't be a chord. It is not touching it at one point, and it is not completely outside the circle, so it can't be a tangent. So what do we call this line? So there is a term for it. So such line is called secant. We spell it as secant. That is the secant of a circle, right? So these are basically all the members of a family of a circle, right? Center point, radius, diameter, chord, circumference, tangent, secant, arcs, major arc or minor arc, sector. All these are the family members. All these come when we talk about circle. So I hope you have familiarized yourself with the terms and the definition. And in the next video, we will talk about different properties of circle. Till then, happy exploring.